Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to create a network shared folder on Windows 10 so you can easily share files with other computers on the same network. Step 1. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder you want to share. Choosing the correct folder is important because this is the data other users will be able to access. Step 2. Right-click on the folder and select Properties from the menu. This opens the folder settings where sharing and permission options are available. Step 3. Click on the Sharing tab and then select the Share button. This section is used to control who can access the folder over the network. Step 4. Choose everyone from the drop-down list or select a specific user, then click Add. This defines who can access the shared folder and helps manage security. Step 5. Set the permission level to read or read-write, depending on whether others should only view or also edit files. Permissions are important to control how the shared files can be used. Step 6. Click Share and then Done to finish the setup. Windows will now create the shared folder and make it available on the network. Step 7. In the search menu, type Manage Advanced Sharing Center. Ensure network discovery and file and printer sharing are turned on in Network and Sharing Center. These settings allow other devices on the same network to find and access the shared folder. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.